Let's crack UPSC in one go. Welcome to Topper Series. Srushti Jayant Deshmukh, the trump of determination. Srushti was born in Bhopal, Kasturiba Nagar. She graduated her chemical engineering and cracked UPSC in one go. She started her preparation in college itself and prepared 6 to 7 hours a day along with her college preparation. She used online sources and prepares her own notes. She follows a newspaper consistently and covers static portions along with it. And she created notes separately for subject-wise, section-wise and updated it constantly. She never missed answer writing for mains. Today's takeaway is, be consistent, maintain a discipline in your preparation, create your own notes and follow the newspaper regularly and religiously. If you do not organize your preparation, do appoint your personal preparation manager from EA Dream Supporters. 𝙤𝙤 𝙤𝙨